Hello and welcome. I don't know about you, but I spent the holiday eating. And whilst I was on holiday, I had this most delicious banana caramel mousse. And so I thought I am going to recreate that and make banana caramel milkshake. And that's what I'm going to share with you. This delicious banana caramel milkshake using a 16 ounces cup. You will need fresh milk because it's a milkshake. And I'm going to use my milk syrup. For those of you that do not know how to make this, please check the link above. It is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. And I'm also going to use caramel syrup. And we're going to top it up with whipped cream. So for those that have not yet seen the video tutorial on how to make whipped cream using a cream dispenser, please check the link above. And we are going to top it up with some delicious caramel sauce and maybe a cherry on top. So let's get started. Because we are going to make no ice cream milkshake, I'm going to use frozen bananas. Frozen fruits are better for smoothies, frap, and milkshake. So 1 large piece of banana into the blender. Into this, add half a cup of fresh milk, 120 ml of fresh milk, any brand will do. And then 15 ml or half an ounce of milk syrup. And to make it taste like caramel, I am going to add 15 ml of my caramel syrup. So here I'm going to use 2 pumps because 1 pump is 7.5 ml. So there you go, 1, 2, whoops, I didn't quite get that. So I'm going to pump 1 more. That's 15 ml of my caramel syrup. And then this is the milkshake, not the frap, so we're not adding any frap base. All I need will be my ice. So I'm going to put my ice there, and into the blender we are going to make this delicious drink. For this, I am going to add a little bit more treat. I'm going to put some Tapioca Pearls. It's okay, you know, it's New Year, New Year's treat. There you go, some Tapioca Pearls there. Now because I added some Tapioca Pearls there, I have something extra here, but that's fine, I'm going to have that later. Now to finish this drink, you may put whipped cream on top. Okay, I don't like too much whipped cream, that should be enough. And then my caramel sauce. Delicious, doesn't it look delicious? Now I am going to present it in a different way, exactly how I had my banana caramel mousse, and it was delicious. So I'm going to do just that. I'm just going to put caramel sauce on top, just like that. Wow. And then the icing on the cake is the cherry on top. And there is your Boba banana caramel milkshake. Something new, something different, something for the new year. Time to give it a try. Wow, that is delicious, so rich. The taste of caramel, well, everybody loves caramel. This is absolutely delicious. It's a must-try recipe. Please, moms out there, try this and make this drink for your kids or for your husbands or wives. Absolutely delicious. A real treat. There you go. I'm so happy to be able to share this milkshake recipes to you. If you have any questions at all, do let me know. I'll see you again in my future video tutorials, so please click that subscribe button now. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.